We're now on the gable end section of the project. We're getting ready to install some accessories here. We've already put our house wrap up and we're getting ready to install our Frieze board. We've got our hook and we've got our board itself. These lock together and we're getting ready to put those in now. So we've got our first piece cut here. We're gonna mount this here next to the soffit in the bird box. We've got it cut square with our band board and we're gonna nail it in. And then the second piece, we're gonna trim out clearance for this piece right here and lap that over top of this one. So when installing your Frieze board, you always need to pair it with a trim board hook. So the trim board hook is our starter strip and our Frieze board will hook into that. So I've got a small piece cut here just to show you what we're gonna do following this. So we're gonna put our trim board hook in here, obviously a long one, but when we get our long one, we're gonna wanna just trim out this section here so we can get this hook down here a little ways. And then we're gonna nail it down, and our Frieze board has a little kick or a little leg in it that's gonna hook itself inside this hook. So I've got our full piece of our trim board hook cut and notched out to put over our piece that we have pre-installed. We're gonna put it in over here, and we're gonna make sure we're gonna bump it up against where the soffit is, and we're gonna nail it in. I've got my relief cuts made on my part. We're getting ready to install it now. So I'm gonna put it up into the hook, slide it over, and in. So when you're installing your Frieze board, it's important to note the size of your Frieze board. If you're going to be installing anything over 4 inches, you're going to want to use a backer board. So this is designed to go over regular 1x. You'd want to install the 1x first and then put this over top of it. What that does is it keeps your laps tight and keeps it from bowing in. Now the smaller pieces you can get away with it, but the larger ones you're definitely going to want a backer.